Good morning from Magic Kingdom. It is 6:55 a.m. I'm out here at the parking lot booths to enter in to go to Magic Kingdom today. I actually got here really early. I got here around 6:30 and there were 2 lanes open, but there were no cast members. So I awkwardly drove through and then exited out again and kind of just sat at the Speedway, got a coffee. Speedway is the gas station right here next to like the TTC and parking lot. Waited, and then saw a couple cars go in and out, drove over, U-turned, and now we're waiting in line with every single booth open. There's a green light on all of them. Just waiting to go in. So I think at 7, they'll start letting guests in and we'll be able to head over to Magic Kingdom for a good morning. So this is actually the first time I've gone to Magic Kingdom this early in years. I've stayed on property a bunch of times, taken an Uber, a car, whatever, over to Magic Kingdom early in the morning, but never this early, except for the one time I stayed on property at Port Orleans Riverside. Yeah. Stayed at Port Orleans Riverside, and we went in for the extra magic hour in the morning, and we did the Keys to the Kingdom tour. That was the first and only time I ever did the Keys to the Kingdom tour, where you actually get to go into the Utilidor underneath Magic Kingdom. That was really cool. If they ever bring that back, I highly, highly recommend it. It's a great tour. It's not just the sunsets that are pretty here. Pretty. I can't even talk. This sunrise is beautiful. So many different colors across the sky. And then, bam, Epcot monorail beam. That's not in use. All right. Time to head in. So once they let us through to park, we walked up over to the TTC where they have the tents to take your temperature, but they're not letting anyone through just yet. Not sure if they have to have a certain amount of people or there's a certain time, but not going in just yet. And I don't want to turn to the left because right behind the tents for your temperature is security, and I know not to videotape security. So it looks like being here this early, only the resort monorail is actually running. Express is closed right now. Looks like I'm taking the ferry boat over. Hopefully I can get on the first one. All right, looks like we're going to take the first ferry boat over. Oh, there's a ton of scaffolding on the Main Street train station. It is very early for me, not for normal people. But time to take the boat over. For some reason, express monorails aren't running. Resort monorail was. This boat is. He's not. He's not awake. Or he just doesn't want to wave. Well, this is a little awkward. There is massive scaffolding and everything being put up around the Main Street station. Still looks pretty. Still got the Christmas decorations all around it. And the red-eared Mickey. It's not that bad. It's such a different vibe here in the morning. Some people are very calm and they're walking over to the attraction they want to get on. Other people are like racing to their attraction or trying to get as many photos as they possibly can with their family. There's a lot of Disney photographers though. Disney Photo Pass. This is a fun little view of Tomorrowland. I think most people are heading over to Seven Dwarfs Mine Train. So I've never been on the Magic Carpets of Aladdin and a few other small attractions in this park. Dumbo, the Rockets, what else? Buzz Lightyear. Space Ranger Spin is what it's called here. It's called Astro Blasters in Disneyland. But I've never been on the one here. Dumbo, yeah, a couple little rides I've never been on. Should I do a whole video on attractions I've never been on and just like record my reaction? Let me know. Since I have no plan today, I think I'm gonna do Splash Mountain first. Get it out of the way. Being here in the morning is the best. Not bad, not bad. Well, Splash Mountain definitely woke me up. Now it's time for Big Thunder Mountain Railroad. Looks like it's still about a 5-minute wait. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad, or at least that's what it's posted at, but the line backs up, so it's definitely not 5 minutes. Looks like this early in the morning, they're only running one side of the station for Thunder Mountain.
And be sure to watch your kids.
So it looks like they're replacing probably the entire rail for the big boats. I think over here it's just their Steamboat. I don't think they have... Do they have the same as Disneyland? Columbia and a Mark Twain Steamboat and a sailing ship? I don't know. But the rail over here is new. Over there is still old. You can see the little pink ribbons where they started. And then you kind of just follow it. There's a bunch of the old railing, and then that's where they're going to continue the new. So this is where the new one actually stops. The railing doesn't really continue after that, but looks like they're replacing the whole thing. That's pretty cool. Well, you don't see that every day. I know it's not Disney, but these trees always remind me of the Whomping Willow from Harry Potter. It just looks like it's about to untwist and knock a car out of the sky. I don't know. All right, time for Haunted Mansion. Thanks so much for joining me today. Why did Mickey Mouse get hit by a snowball? Because Donald ducked. See you all next time.